Here's how to lock chats on WhatsApp. Now, I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to show you the exact steps to lock a chat and then also password protect it if you wanted a passcode so that nobody can see it. So the first step to lock a chat is just to tap on the conversation. So I'm going to do that on my iPhone and Android. Next, you're going to tap on their name at the top here. And then scroll down from here. You can see on iPhone, it's called Lock Chat, and you can toggle this on and then just hit continue. Now it says, do you want to use your Face ID to unlock this? You can hit allow if you wanted to use your Face ID. However, on Android, you can see it's called Chat Lock, and I can turn it on and hit continue. And it says confirm your lock chat, enter in the PIN code for unlocking your phone. This is, again, the code that you use to unlock your Android phone, or you can use your Face ID verification. Now, after we've done that, tap the back arrow on both devices. And if I scroll down from here, again, keep in mind you might need to swipe down. There are the locked chats. I can tap on it. You can see it requires my Face ID for my iPhone, and on my Android, it requires the passcode to unlock it. Now, let's say you wanted a different passcode that nobody else would know. To be able to set a different passcode for these locked chats, tap on Settings at the top right on your iPhone, or the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Chat Lock Settings. From here, all we need to do is tap on Secret Code. And if you have a secret code already set, you can set a new one. However, on here, you can always set a new secret code. In my case, I'm just going to use 1111 and then hit next. And then again, 1111 and hit next. And on Android, it's the same thing. I'm going to enter in 1111 and then enter it in twice and hit done. Now, after I've done that, if you go back out of here, I'll show you how it works. If somebody taps on locked chats, again on iPhone or Android, you can see here you can use your Face ID to open it up, or potentially you can just have this secret code if you wanted to set it like this, and you would have to know that specific code. In this case, 1111, and hit continue, and then you would be able to see that chat. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.